Let's show adjustments for Prasarita Padottanasana D position. So, hands to hips, inhale, exhale, fold forward, grab your big toes. You can take one more breath, head up, exhale, fold. Good. Let's say that the student is again rounded. The same adjustment we did in Prasarita Padottanasana A applies here for any forward fold. Ground the sacrum, check that the feet are grounded, 2 fingers on the trap, connected with verbal instructions. Inhale, look up. Good. And trust me, the student will feel it in the hamstrings. Good. Go again, go down, bend the elbows. Again, Prasarita Padottanasana D. Again, same as A. I ground the sacrum, I cup my hand, and I follow the direction of the spine. I can say to the student, lean onto my leg. So he's leaning onto my leg. I don't touch his knee, so it's thigh to thigh. I cup my hand, and I follow the direction of the spine. Good. I can even put my knee here if the height allows it. So because Martin is tall, you see I'm lifting my heel in order to bring the knee on the hand. Good. If the elbows are wrong and you need to adjust that, let's say that the elbows are kind of sticking out, that's easy. You bring them like this, or if they're towards the legs, you bring them like this. So the hands are easy to fix. Good. Inhale, head up. Exhale, hands to hips. Inhale, come up. Exhale, release. So these were adjustments for Prasarita Padottanasana D. Same as A, and they are the same adjustments for any standing forward fold. It doesn't matter if the legs are closed or if the legs are wide open.